Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Dolph. We're going to talk about what happened to the market today, and I have some watch lists coming in for tomorrow. So please stay till the end of the video. So what happened to the market today? So Dow Jones fell down 200 points. S&P 500 closed it slightly down to 3,687. The Nasdaq it gained 65 points, or 0.5 to the upside. So let's talk about what's the big news for today. I still like the Apple news. I've been telling you every day, you guys. Uh, some of you who already own the Apples, there's a good sign. I think there is a huge still upside potential right there. And if you do own the Apple stock already, it might be not a bad idea to put some cover calls or something for a month or so. That might to get some extra the income or extra cash. That might be a great idea. Let's talk about so in general, all the EV the stock was up today. That's because of the Apple's EV, the news. They're gonna to make the Apple car, that drove the EV sectors pretty much up. So because of that, I'd like to mention about the workhorse stock. So here is the workhorse chart. This is a daily the chart today. It went up to 12 point over 12 points up today. And I know a lot of people are holding this stock with the hopes of the USPS contract still. And I know the news it came out like about a month ago. Let's take a look at the 6-month chart, and as you see, like around the November, yes, around November 23rd, the news came out. USPS news came out saying they're gonna the delay the result of the contract till the next year. Maybe they were saying the end of the first quarter or the second quarter. So that drove the stock price all the way down to what, like the $19 the price range. But as you can see, like in the 6-month chart, there is a strong resistance lines on $20 50 cents around there, and it is bouncing right off from that price line today. So I really like this the setup for for a short period of time at least. So yeah, that's for the workhorse stock. I want to talk about the Peloton. Yeah, Peloton is up a lot today, more than 11%. So this is stock that I'll be definitely keeping my eye on today. And as you can see, like the 5 days chart today, earlier this morning, the price, the stock, gapped up a lot. And then like as soon as the bell opened, the stock was going up all the way to 166 the price point, and then it kind of did a double top, and then came all the way down to 169, and then right now it is sitting like around $160 after hours. So this one, I don't know if I do trade this one tomorrow. I'll only trade if this one goes above 165 price range. So this one to the upside tomorrow, if you're just for the quick in and out day trade, if you're looking at that. So now let's talk about Nano Dimension. Nano Dimension, ticker symbol NNDM. Yeah, I know this is speculative. The stock, a lot of people are talking about it. I know. I personally don't like to invest in kind of penny stock. I mean, it's not. You can say maybe it is not a penny stock, but the company is not making really the many products. I think they even sold like less than 10 the products this year or something. But a lot of people are pumping like the price. The news that the people saying the ARK investment. It is buying the the stocks pretty much every day. That's a great news because like I don't know, for some people who doesn't know what the investment is. It is ETF. You know, the company they're run by the Cathie Woods. The Cathie Wood is the person, like a lot of the investors are like kind of blindly kind of following her. But be careful, with this stock, because I'd rather wait until I hear some kind of news that the company is actually generating some kind of the revenue or the profit. But it's got the great the momentum right now. So I'll only trade if you look at the day chart. Like I just told you, if it goes up to above $9.50, maybe to the upside. Yeah, but that's only for quick in and out day trading I'm talking about. Now let's talk about the Plug Power, the ticker symbol PLUG. This stock went up a lot today too. In general, because of all the the general EV stock went up. So this one is after hours. It is sitting at $35 right now. I'll only consider day trading. If this one goes above, let's say $36.70 to the upside. If you want to do the quick the day trading. But the Plug Power, it is a company. I don't know, for those of you who are not really familiar with the company. It is a provider of alternative energy technology. The focus is on the design, development, commercialization, and the manufacture of a hydrogen fuel cell system, and it is used for the industrial off-roading market. They do make kind of battery, like the hydrogen battery, and it is portable, so you can put it in the back of the truck or something, and then actually you can use that as a kind of like old style generator. So the revenue is going up and up every day basis. So I really like this company in general. So I wouldn't be actually I wouldn't mind picking up some the shares. I do not own the shares on this one, but like you see, this is a yearly chart. The stock price was $5. The stock around June. And then you're all the way on to up to 35 price range. So it is a little extended. So I wouldn't want to pick up the shares at this price for sure. If it comes down to maybe 25 price range or 24 price range, that that might be very tasty. The price range that I'll be looking at. Yeah, that's it for that. And the next list is Fubo TV. Yeah, ticker symbol FUBO. So now let's look at that. Here is a Fubo. Look at this, the price. Yes, so it is just looking at this, it is just scary. So now, like beginning of October, as you see, it was like the $9.50 the stock. But then now, in the matter of the 2 months, it all now it is sitting at the $60. The Fubo TV, I kind of like to watch this one in the Mexican restaurants. It is kind of popular, like they always put this one on TV, and they got all this sports channels and all that. And now the company is working with the sports bet, the gambling betting the systems. Yeah, recently they announced it. So that's what the stock it went up from $30 to all the way to $61. But of course, I wouldn't be buying the share at this price for sure. If you're really into the gambling stocks, I know the PENN stock, the ticker symbol, and what else? DraftKings, DraftKings is very popular these days. Yeah, the stock. So if you're into those stocks, the Fubo TV is definitely something you can add position as well too, for the long run. So if you're asking me what's the good price target, I mean, if you're thinking about picking up the shares for the long run, I wouldn't necessarily to buy the stock at this price. But if the price comes down like maybe around $30 range, that might be the good buy in. The price target right there, in my opinion. And those were the stock for the stock pick for tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.